Welcome to the Product List channel, you hungry devils. Today we're ditching the deep fryer and diving headfirst into the world of air fryers. That's right, we're getting crispy, crunchy goodness without swimming in a pool of oil. We'll be breaking down the top 5 air fryers on the market, separating the sizzling from the soggy. Get ready to discover the pros and cons of each contender, and I'll even let you in on the best kind of food prep to make your taste buds sing. And remember, the link to each product can be found in the description box below. Right, let's get started with the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL, the behemoth of the bunch. This isn't just any air fryer, it's the heavyweight champ in the world of air fryers. If you're looking for something that can handle a serious amount of food, this is your guy. This beast boasts a massive capacity, enough to feed a family of 4, maybe even 5 if you've got picky eaters. Imagine being able to cook an entire meal in one go, from appetizers to the main course. No more juggling multiple pots and pans, just load it up and let it do its thing. You hear that? No more complaints about portion sizes. Everyone gets their fair share, and you get to enjoy a peaceful meal without the usual squabbles over who got more fries. Now this XXL fella uses what they call twin turbo star technology. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? But what does it actually mean for you? Well, it means that your food is cooked to perfection every single time. Basically, it circulates hot air like a whirlwind, ensuring your food is cooked evenly with a glorious crispy finish. No more worrying about uneven cooking or soggy bottoms. Every bite is as good as the last. We're talking golden, crispy fries that are just as good, if not better, than what you'd get at your favorite fast food joint. Juicy chicken wings that'll have you licking your fingers and wondering why you ever bothered with deep frying. And even perfectly roasted vegetables that are so good, you might actually look forward to eating your greens. But hold your horses, it's not all sunshine and roses. There are a few things you need to consider before making this hefty investment. This bad boy takes up some serious counter space. If your kitchen is already cramped, you might find yourself struggling to find a spot for it. I mean, it's massive, almost like having another microwave. So, if you're short on space, you might need to do some serious rearranging. And let's not talk about the price tag. It'll set you back a few quid. It's definitely an investment, but one that could pay off in the long run if you use it regularly. But listen, if you've got a big family and you're serious about your air frying, this workhorse is worth every penny. It's not just about the convenience, it's about the quality of the food you're able to produce. From crispy fries to juicy wings and perfectly roasted veggies, this air fryer can do it all. And let's not forget the health benefits. By using less oil, you're able to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL is the way to go. It's a game changer in the kitchen, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The controls are user-friendly, making it easy for anyone in the family to use. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, you'll have no trouble getting the hang of it. And cleaning? It's a breeze. The non-stick drawer and food basket are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Versatility is another strong suit of the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. From baking to grilling, roasting to frying, this appliance can handle it all. You can experiment with different recipes and cooking methods, making it a truly multifunctional addition to your kitchen. Plus, with the Philips Air Fryer app, you get access to hundreds of recipes and tips, ensuring you get the most out of your air fryer. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips. So, if you're looking to elevate your cooking game and make mealtime a breeze, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL is the perfect choice. It's big, it's powerful, and it's ready to take on any culinary challenge you throw its way. Your family will thank you, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next up, we've got the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer, a true jack of all trades. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a culinary powerhouse designed to make your life easier and your meals tastier. This Ninja, it's not just an air fryer, it's a bloody revolution. Imagine having the ability to cook multiple dishes at once without compromising on quality or flavor. It air fries, it roasts, and it does so much more. Whether you're in the mood for some crispy roasted vegetables or freshly baked cookies, this device has got you covered. It bakes, it reheats, it dehydrates. Yes, you heard that right. You can even make your own dried fruits for a healthy snack. Hell, it probably does the dishes too. Okay, maybe not, but it sure feels like it does everything else. And the best part? It comes with 2 baskets, so you can cook 2 different things at once. Talk about a game changer. Imagine preparing a full meal in half the time. Imagine perfectly cooked steak alongside fluffy, crispy fries, all done at the same time. No more juggling multiple pots and pans. No more waiting around. No more uneven cooking. Every bite is cooked to perfection, ensuring a delightful dining experience every time. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the control panel. Yes, it looks like it has more buttons than a spaceship. This thing has more buttons than a spaceship. It can be a bit intimidating at first, almost like trying to disarm a bomb. It can be a bit intimidating at first, almost like trying to disarm a bomb. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. But trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. The intuitive design and user-friendly interface make it easy to navigate through the various functions. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive manual that guides you step by step, ensuring you make the most out of this versatile appliance. You'll find yourself experimenting with new recipes and cooking techniques, all thanks to the endless possibilities this air fryer offers. And the best part? Your family and friends will be amazed at the delicious meals you whip up with such ease. Cleaning up is a breeze too. The non-stick baskets and dishwasher-safe parts make the post-cooking cleanup quick and hassle-free. And when you're done, its compact design ensures it won't take up too much space on your kitchen counter. So, if you're looking to revolutionize your cooking game, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer is your new best friend. Happy cooking! Moving on to the Instant Vortex Plus 7-in-1 air fryer oven, a compact powerhouse that packs a serious punch. This little gem is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen, no matter how limited the counter space. Its sleek design and modern aesthetics make it a perfect addition to contemporary kitchens, blending functionality with style. This little fella might not be as big as the Philips XXL, but don't let its size fool you. Despite its smaller footprint, it delivers performance that rivals its larger counterparts. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this air fryer is designed to make your cooking experience both enjoyable and efficient. It's got all the bells and whistles of a larger model, but in a smaller, more manageable package. The control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate through its various functions. From the moment you unbox it, you'll be impressed by its build quality and the thoughtfulness that has gone into its design. And just like the Ninja Foodi, it's a multitasker's dream. Imagine having the ability to prepare a variety of dishes without needing multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen. The Instant Vortex Plus is designed to handle multiple cooking tasks, making it an indispensable tool for busy households. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, reheat, dehydrate, you name it, this thing can handle it. Its versatility is truly remarkable, allowing you to experiment with different recipes and cooking techniques. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, this air fryer has got you covered. Plus, it comes with a rotisserie function, perfect for cooking up a whole chicken or a leg of lamb. The rotisserie feature ensures even cooking, giving you perfectly roasted meats every time. It's like having a professional-grade rotisserie oven right on your countertop. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. With all these features, you might be wondering if it's too complicated to use. The learning curve on this one is steeper than a mountain goat. The multitude of functions can be overwhelming at first, especially if you're not familiar with air fryers. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. You'll need to put in some time and effort to master all its functions. Start with the basics and gradually explore the more advanced features. The manual is comprehensive and provides step-by-step instructions to help you get the most out of your air fryer. But hey, nothing good comes easy, right? Once you get the hang of it, You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. The Instant Vortex Plus 7-in-1 Air Fryer Oven is more than just an appliance. It's a game changer for your kitchen. So, roll up your sleeves, dive in, and get ready to elevate your cooking game to new heights. Now, for all you budget-conscious home cooks out there, let me introduce you to the Cosori Air Fryer Max XL. This air fryer is proof that you don't need to break the bank to get restaurant-quality results. It's got a spacious cooking basket, user-friendly controls, and most importantly, it delivers consistently crispy results. Whether you're craving French fries, chicken wings, or even mozzarella sticks, this Cosori won't disappoint. Now, it's not perfect. It doesn't have all the fancy features of the Ninja Foodi or the Instant Vortex, but it does what it's supposed to do, and it does it well. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean, which is a big bonus in my book. Last but not least, we have the Dash Compact Air Fryer, the perfect appliance for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone who values convenience. This little guy is small enough to fit on your countertop without taking up too much space, but don't let its size fool you. It can still cook up a storm. It's perfect for single servings or smaller meals, and it heats up in a flash, making it ideal for those nights when you need a quick and easy dinner. Now, let's be honest, it's not going to feed a family of 4. But for what it is, it's a fantastic little appliance. So there you have it, the top 5 air fryers on the market. From the behemoth Philips XXL to the compact Dash, there's an air fryer out there for everyone. Remember, the best air fryer for you depends on your individual needs and cooking habits. Now I want to hear from you. Which air fryer are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.